up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I'm shopping at Burlington, and I'm just glancing at these dresses that are just $15. They're so pretty. But I'm on my way to the women's section, so I'm really not going to get in detail, but you can see some of the dresses here hanging up. Lots of pretty dresses for summer. But I'm gonna head over to the women's tops and see what they have that's new. Of course, they always are getting in new things at Burlington, so you have to come here like every week. Got this cute Tommy Hilfiger hoodie for just $19. I love Tommy Hilfiger. The colors are always red, white, and blue, so you could wear it for 4th of July or anytime you feel patriotic. So most of these shirts are $10, but they go up to $20 depending on the name brand. But I had a request to look at the women's tops, so that's why I'm in the women's section and not the junior section. I know some people like the juniors, some people like the women's, so I try to show both in different videos so everybody's happy. But look how cute this graphic t-shirt is of a woman in London. It's got like Big Ben in the background and that London eye. So cute. And we got this Calvin Klein hoodie that's super cute for $20. So this caught my eye with a little red striped sleeves that say Guess on it. How cute is this denim jacket? It's $30, but it's a Guess denim jacket. I love this. And I wish they had it in my size though. That's so small.